Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Poco phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to change guys Poco phone sleep time. Friends, you want to change guys your Poco phone sleep time. So friends, how to change Poco phone sleep time in this video friends we will talk about it. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting to change guys your Poco phone sleep time. So how to change guys? First we will on phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your always on display and lock screen setting. So let's click on always on display lock screen. Friends, you can see always on display notification effect setting. Friends, you want to set your notification effects. So friends, you can set your notification effects from here. Friends, you want to on your always on display setting. So you can on guys always on display, and you can use guys your always on display setting from here. So guys, we will click on sleep setting, phone sleep time guys you want to change. So guys, you can change from here. Example guys, I will show you 15 seconds. Friends, you can see after 15 seconds of inactivity. So guys, come back. So guys, don't tap on your phone, don't click anywhere on your phone. After 15 seconds guys, phone will sleep automatically. Wait and watch. When phone is going to sleep, 4 3 2 1 0, phone sleep. So like that guy, we can change guys Poco phone sleep time. So friends, you will not tap for 50 seconds, your phone will automatically sleep. So like that guy, we can change phone sleep time from here. And friends, you want to get this always on display setting, so you can on from here apply option. And friends, you can get this always on display setting on your Poco phone. So we will also off this always on display setting. You don't want to use guys, you can off from here. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope you understood how to change phone sleep time on Poco mobile. Bye guys.